Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Priya. Today I'll be talking about marital cognitive therapy. So basically I'm just going to take an example of the power of a negative thinking in a marriage and why you need to seek help. So this is an example of a wife who comes in excitedly with a good news to the husband that she has a promotion or any other news which she wants to share. But the husband always seems to be kind of distant and uninvolved. So basically the wife thinks that he doesn't care about or is interested in he's interested in his own self. So basically the wife goes off the room and the husband also thinks in a similar lines that she doesn't care and basically has interest only on her things and only wants to celebrate success or from her side. So this basically highlights a very common pattern of thinking, so henceforth leading to conclusions about each other and the negative thinking, and eventually landing up in counter-attacking or withdrawing from each other. Hence the vicious cycle of attack and retaliation will go on and on. So interpretation of a partner's motive, for example in this particular example, is often fraught with some danger, simply because we cannot read each other's mind, especially when we are disappointed or when we are frustrated. It's really difficult to reach each other's mind. So for example in this above example, the wife does not know that the husband has been depressed about a reversal in his business. Could be any job, but I'm just taking an example of an accounting business in this scenario, and he's way too anxious to talk about it to the wife. Basically the wife does not know this information. So to avoid such kind of misconceptions, it often helps us to understand how our mind functions and malfunctions, especially when we are disappointed or frustrated with something. So this is where the role of marital cognitive therapy comes in. So basically you might be wondering, what is this marital cognitive therapy? So basically it consists of exploring with troubled partners, you know, their unrealistic expectations about each other and as well as self, their defeating attitudes and unjustified negative explanations and some illogical conclusions which they make of each other. So this is about marital cognitive therapy, and if you need help, don't hesitate to meet a psychiatrist or a psychologist to have a happy married life. Thank you.